Well, boys, it's Friday. We got some bling on this little girl on this side. I got busy and didn't get the other side finished, painted. A couple additions here. Got a new little grill. Now we got a fire pit. And then we got a half grill for the portable grill. Everything's still removable, all the same. This is another top to add onto it. And then had a few signs that needed made this week. They're ready for the paint booth. We got all this stuff blocked. We're getting ready to paint it. We had to redo some rust on the doors, inside, outside. It's getting there. Went and got some steel for the plasma table. Of course, they're 5x10s, 4x4 tables, so use my old trusty saw, rip them down into shape. So, another hot, swampy ass week. Be careful, boys. Happy 4th. Later.